Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are breaking down the blueprint for what we're calling the automated contractor. It's a system designed to help your business practically run itself, grow without all that friction, and, finally get that mountain of manual work off your plate for good. So let's just jump right in with a question that every single business owner has asked themselves probably late at night. What if the day-to-day grind, chasing leads, managing paperwork, what if all that could just happen automatically, freeing you up to focus on the actual work you love? I mean, it's really a tale of two businesses, isn't it? On one side, you've got the old way. It's that frantic scramble, missed calls, leads that just disappear, and spending your evenings buried in paperwork. But on the other side, you've got the automated way, a calm, collected system where every single lead is captured and engaged with instantly. Doesn't matter if it's day or night. That's the huge shift we're going to unpack. Okay, so the foundation of this entire thing is making sure no opportunity is ever lost, and that all starts the second a potential customer tries to reach out. So let's dive into part one, building what's basically an automated front door for your business.
Think about it. A potential customer can find you from anywhere, right? A Google search, maybe a Facebook ad, a referral from a neighbor. They decide to make contact. But that first touch point, that is the moment of truth. If you're too slow or their message just falls through the cracks, that opportunity is gone. Poof, forever.
And this is the solution. It's called a unified inquiry system. So instead of you frantically checking your phone, then your email, then your website forms, then your social media DMs, everything, and I mean everything, flows into one central hub. Every call, every form, every text is captured and tracked. Automatically. Nothing gets missed. Period. And here's where the real magic kicks in. A call comes in, and an AI assistant picks up instantly. It has a real, natural conversation, answers their basic questions, and if the lead seems like a good fit, it books a consultation directly on your calendar. All their info is captured, a new lead is created in your CRM, that's your customer management system. All of this happens without you lifting a finger. And this right here brilliantly illustrates the power of automation. It doesn't matter if a lead comes in at 10 p.m. on a Saturday night, your business is always on, ready to give an instant professional response. You are literally never closed for new business again. All right, so now that we've captured the lead, let's move on to part two. This is where we turn that initial inquiry into a serious, qualified appointment, all while protecting your absolute most valuable asset, your time. So check out this flow. The AI books that first consultation call. Then, the system just takes over. It sends out automated confirmations and reminders to make sure people actually show up. Only after all that pre-qualification do you step in for a quick chat, just to confirm they're a good fit before you schedule that valuable in-home quote. And here is the key takeaway of this whole section. The system acts as a super powerful filter. It weeds out the tire kickers and the jobs that just aren't right for you. Just think of the hours this saves. Your valuable time and expertise are reserved only for homeowners who are serious and who are a perfect fit. Okay, so you've scheduled the quote, now you're on site. The efficiency doesn't stop. You're using a mobile app. You build the quote right there on the spot, you can review it with the homeowner, and you can get a digital signature right then and there. No paper to lose, and absolutely no re-entering data back at the office late at night. All right, on to part three, sealing the deal. This is where we see that magic moment of turning a signed quote into an active, organized project. And it's a totally seamless handoff that just eliminates all that typical admin work. The second that customer signs that quote on your tablet, a chain reaction is triggered. The system instantly converts them from a lead to a customer, adds them to your project pipeline, and sends out a professional confirmation email. The job is officially on the books before you've even left their driveway. And the result is just total, blissful organization from day one. You get a clean, complete customer record with their signed quote, their contact info, every bit of communication, all in one easy-to-find place. It's the perfect foundation for a smooth, successful project for you and your whole team. But even when the job is done, the system doesn't stop working for you. The moment you mark a project as complete in the system, a whole new automation sequence kicks in. It sends out a review request, and it starts the long-term follow-up process. And that brings us to the final and, honestly, maybe the most crucial piece of the puzzle, part four. This is all about turning today's happy customers into tomorrow's 5-star reviews and repeat business. This is how you build an engine for future growth that runs completely on autopilot. So, what does this follow up actually look like? Well, beyond just asking for that review, the system can send seasonal check ins, like a reminder to service the deck you built before winter hits. It can send reactivation messages a year later, and it can even prompt your happiest customers for referrals. It keeps you top of mind automatically. So let's just put it all together. Take a look at the division of labor on this chart. The AI system handles the first contact, the project kickoff, and all the follow up. Your time is reserved for the single highest value task there is, quoting. And the result? No misleads, more 5-star reviews, and your time is finally spent doing what you do best. And that's our look at the automated contractor blueprint. It's a system that's designed to remove friction and build a truly scalable foundation for your business, which really leaves us with just one final thought to chew on. Is your current process, is it really built to handle the growth you want for tomorrow?